Oh wow. Damn. Okay. Bucks covered, this is TheDuttyBerry and welcome to a brand new social media countdown. So let's get right into it. Number 10, the Battle of the Brownins. So my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my boxfoot essay. Oh geez and pim, the war between Danielle D.I and Ishawna is getting hot. It's blazing, everybody wants her name. And Bomba, remember the song there? Oh people, let me just tell you this, if you're looking at this was actually a bow tie made of newspaper that was given to me by a bereader some time ago at a North of Jamaica function. And yeah, the glasses here, I'm just wear it because I can't find the other one. So anyway, let's get back into the story. So as you know, round one, Danielle D.I started with the single called Stop Call Up My Name. And then Ishawna responded with this track called Headshot, gunshot to your forehead, come near me out, hurricane season. So people I wonder which song of the song them did kind of bother. Me no know, you can decide who they do in round one. But then round two go start when Danielle D.I go put out this song called Street Bicycle.
Thing they done dep on the street, pouring girl me owe you a box down for the boss lady, cut I no they have to do it. Oh, headshot a rifle and the
oh Jesus pim, oh Jesus pim. In the song Danielle D.I talk up a bag of things, she is talking up a crocus bag of things. Right there and then you know some Miss Equal Rights now go take it on a regular day. So she hard put out the song called Walking Dead. And people, if you think that Ishawna mouth never have the manners before, listen.
Go take care of your half dead mama, no you say she a battle for life. You is a walking dead, you're dead long time and left your mama feet.
But you still can't get over the half dead mommer line, boy. You know them things that way you probably would have think for say about somebody because you kinda hate them, but you just build back and say, yo, it kinda too below the belt. No. Ishawna fully bad them ways, she gonna say it.
Bad we bad, Gaza bad we bad.
So in the middle of all of this, Danielle D.I link up with dancehall queen Colleen, you know, because she featured in the song Street Bicycle. And you Colleen have one little talk-up session once a week. And so she invited Danielle D.I to be the guest last week. And
One more time, I want to make some little you know, say you're bad girl and you want to call them tea. You see the mother argument too, and some start about mother first, and then open the door from the top of the truth and the facts for them.
okay then! So then after that now, people still I wonder what could have caused this feud? Why is there beef between Danielle D.I and Ishawna? But guess what? Danielle D.I went on stage and here are some of her claims.
Yeah, this specific person for years now has been maliciously over and over saying stuff about me, trying to copy my style, trying to DJ like, I want to DJ like Danielle, I want to outfit like Danielle, I want to go.
So you know me glad the whole of this now, you know, so Ishawna can't go through some drama here so people can take it away and boy oh boy, I don't know what to say people, I do not know the mix up here, I cannot hard cross it. What are your thoughts? Comment below. Are you team Ishawna or team Danielle D.I? Leave a comment. Number 9, R.I.P. Miss Brown. Jeez people, so can you believe it? The world's oldest woman, who is actually a Jamaican, called Miss Violet Brown, died September 15, 2017, only days after she was allegedly kidnapped from her home by family members. Boy, people, I'm not gonna lie, this is something kind of sad. It kind of irritating a little bit. Me get a little annoyed with it because the woman did quite alright and fine. And then, you know, with the whole family disturbance, I don't know if it contributed. Me just still want she live longer. You know, like live to like 120 and stretch out like the world record because it's not a simple thing for somebody to live to 117 years old, you know, much less a Jamaican. So R.I.P. Miss Violet Brown. Okay, so people, I'm very excited about this because I always want to advertise like say I'm a big promotional guru and I think this is the perfect opportunity. Okay, so people, so let me tell you about Kira Organics. It's a natural body care company that manufactures products and provides medicinal benefits that alleviates the skin like acne and eczema, and it provides basically for healthy hair growth. And boy, my hair stuck on a live here from from Pernell Child's ear in one color. I can't believe I used by the joke there. But yeah. Okay, so this right here, so I don't know what this must be the YouTubers them do. Maybe you can't see it. Do I come close like here or go something like that? But yeah, this is the turmeric face and body bar. We got the turmeric. It is the face and body bar. Turmeric. It is the face and body bar. It's for acne, eczema, and dark spots. turmeric, turmeric. And then this is neem, oh neem, so nice and clean. It's the face and body bar for acne and warts. Do-do, do-do-do-do-do. It is neem for acne, eczema, and warts. Do-do, do-do-do-do-do. And now this is called the Femi Cleanse. Femi Cleanse, this is called the Femi Cleanse. It is for yeast infection, inflammation, and stretch marks, stretch marks. So ladies, my babies, go and get it from Kira Organics. Organics. And don't cock it up, back it up. Cock it up, back it. Alright. That is it, people. Make sure that you're running on these wonderful products. I'm going to be using them for the rest of the countdowns, and I'll keep you updated on all of the products them. So like I'm showing all of the products, and don't come running to me and try and beg me one of the free them. Don't come and ask me feed. If you want to reach in, get in contact with Kira, it is kira.organics@gmail.com. I'm going to put the information down here. As well as you can message them on Facebook at Kira Organics. And I'm sure you're going to want the products. So the products are available at pharmacies, dermatology centers, including Fontana Pharmacy and Proactive Lifestyle locations. So people, I'm going to use it. So you can check out me, because snap them, I'm going to use it. I'm going to know the process and all of these things. So running panic right now. Peace out. Now back to the countdown. A big commercial this a while ago, you know. Number 8, cranium parrot. Me bowl of breadfoot. Me don't even know what to say about this next story. But Mr. Nobody Nothing Know Cranium, I guess, was having a conversation with one of his virgins, and the conversation went something like this.
If you feel like you want to. And I said, and we can do the things when you feel the need to. Give me a mix and we can run. Yeah, the body show.
Number 7, thief it vids. My word, my sentence, my boxfoot paragraph. If there is not something, anything in the world that I hate, it me literally abhor a thief. You know how it just rough when somebody just work for them own, attain the things that they want in a life, only if you go get snatched from somebody else who they just ready and feel say it must be for them own. In this video, this brother must have did a circle the uptown communities them like Cherry Garden and such, Beverly Hills, and go in and thief the people them TV. I don't know if they caught him as yet, but boy, I don't know. But the video is there circulate on the net. And now check out the random video of the week.
I'm not talking represent for TheDuttyBerryShow now. I have to tag it out, okay? You know the thing go, when I have to use I the gap the thing come home to your girl, I have to go through the window. If I have a girl and shafts, I suppose let's see.
Number 6, kids taste test. Me box cover. So there's a series on YouTube where kids try different cuisines from different cultures. And so this time they allowed the kids to try some Jamaican dishes.
It's okay, it's a little too spicy. That's spicy! Hey! Because it's so good and it tastes like potatoes. That is called cowfoot soup. This is a foot of a cow. No wonder it has a hard spot.
Okay, so let me know what you thought about the kids' reactions. I know people I want to share a little special, I had a little special chit chat with 3 of the ladies in the Miss Jamaica World 2017 pageant. So here's how it went down.
Alright, I love music, dance, entertainment, drawing. I'm a dancer.
Okay, Renee, 6:30 type of dancing.
No!
Oh.
And if you want to watch the full video, the link is going to be in the description, so you can go check it out. Number 5, one-wheel bicycles. Me turtleneck, never have I seen this yet. People, when we say Jamaican people are some of the most creative people. We just outside and out of the box. Anything where we think of, we just go execute it and do it in some fashionable style. So, this person that drive them car go up one mount, up the hill, when them see 2 brother upon some very odd-looking bicycles.
Where you just see everything. This a man a riding bicycle without a front wheel. Where's the front? No wheel! Wheelless! So, my business me I go about, you know. And this is what I'm seeing. Yo, on the back wheel, no, them you hold on there, 2 of them. What the bomb? Yo, 4 of them are ride the bicycle without wheel, sir. The front one too. No man, you have to see this. Yo, the man them not on a wheel. The man them not on a wheel. So you say cruise, you just a cruise, brother. You just a easy.
You know, so I'm gonna try that still. I'm gonna try that up a Mount Russell, but the way all my weight kind of set up right now, yeah, I'm gonna depend on them Humpty Dumpty levels there. Yeah. Number 4, Island Girls. So people, let me tell you, there is actually a reality show just like how you have Love and Hip Hop and Real Housewives of Atlanta and all of these different things. Me always wonder now, me know so this day will eventually come. So there's actually going to be a reality show that is going to feature Caribbean ladies and them life and all of that drama. Take a look.
I'm Rebecca.
I'm Monifa. And I'm Shari.
And we are the Island Girls.
Palm trees, palm breeze.
It's her first time here. Yeah. And I just like, we're going to show her the island. Yeah. We're going to have the best time.
But you know what it's like. Dating celebrities, it's like dating a non-human.
Everybody has their opinion. And you just have to know who you're dating.
Do you know my ex-girlfriend, Rebecca Sylvia?
So I think, Burritos, will you actually be willing to give this a try? You think you might want to watch this show? Well, now it is time for the big up segment. First, I have to big up Mr. Omar Thomas, 16-year-old Omar Thomas from Fletcher's Land, who has actually been very proactive, you know, doing him own a thing, you know, being a little bad boy in a school, and him say, yo, him going to make him own way, him going to do something to uplift himself. And so he has begun this dog breeding and is now able to financially support his family. And I think that is quite commendable. Also, I have to big up Tisha from Fish Pot in a after 3 year. Big up yourself here. You deserve me the other day. And you're a Berida. And the rest of them run a Fish Pot. Big up on yourself. And also, I have to big up the team from Hello Bartender. For all of your bar services, make sure you just reach out to them. Link them up then up on Facebook. So just do a little search and you'll find them. And now check out the other random video of the week. Pancho, big up yourself.
Yes, I like to bring in artists from Jamaica, Africa, or those who specialize in these dance forms so you can see how it's done by different people and also get the authentic vibe from it. So, seeing that he's Jamaican, this is as good as it gets, okay?
Number 3, Die Meltdown. Oh, jeez and pim, boy, people, when I saw this video, I'm ready for pause it.
I honestly don't know what else to do. Like, I honestly think I'm losing it. Like I'm sick of people. And I'm sick of this whole thing. like, I'm like the closest person to it.
Now here's the thing, when I watched that video, I saw somebody that was broken, somebody that was just sad and going through some things. And to be honest, we all go through their moments there from time to time. Sometimes we just need to take a little vacation and rally back. We just need to go around some family, some loved ones, and just to get everything together and then face the public. But when you're a public figure, sometimes there's no place to run. So the best place for you to go is to just go to the public, go to your followers and just share your concerns. And all I can say, I just hope you'll continue to just be strong and to just overcome. And the way life is messed up. You just lose people sometimes and bad things happen to the people that you care about the most. That is just how life said. And I just hope that she will overcome it. Well, I think that she will overcome it because, you know, she have our new, what you call it? Vaginal steaming thing business where I go on, and our two can play that game video, reach over 200,000 views on YouTube. So the girl that do her thing. So let's just wish her all the best. Alright? Number 2, you it fight. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, G's and Pim. I cannot believe that these people are grown adults. I'm not gonna believe it. I'm not going to believe it. You know, when I heard about this fight with the things at other college, don't really cuss me off right now, but when I heard that there was a fight on a college campus, me did say no man, I know NCU. Me did say no, I know you, I probably one in the vicinity. But to my backstory surprise, it was the University of the West Indies. So people, you know, when school start back, when it's a new semester, usually in a basic school and primary school, you know, so there are certain things that people fight over. Pencil, rubber, sharpener, and seat. And that is exactly what these two university students, a male and a female, were fighting, disputing over when somebody took out their camera and recorded a little bit of it.
Push me. Yes.
Boy, the girl did have one strong still. She did have one strong still. The brother,
and number one goes to the CNN News Slang. Jeez, me big toe. People, when we say that Jamaica is a global brand, international brand, we just sell off. We just shell anywhere that where we go. Anywhere we go, we just make entrance. We just creative. We just dynamic. We just unique. We just spectacular. We just tanamane. We are all of those things. And I gonna say brata, but I can't say brata. And yeah, me don't stop right there. So can you believe it, in the middle of all of this Donald Trump mess? CNN had a panel and they were having a discussion about stuff. And at one point, one of the CNN anchors decided to mention a particular Jamaican expression.
And yet he doesn't learn, you know, right. Donald Trump doesn't learn. He's not a friend of John McCain. John McCain owes him nothing.
Well, you make such an insightful point, as you so often do, Joy, that it's not necessarily Obamacare being defended, right? But it is about, as you say, the actual constitutional dimension of who's in charge. There's a Jamaican saying, I don't know if you know it.
I know every Jamaican saying.
Do you?
Well, maybe.
We run things not run we.
But where the drunk or liver spot me just hear a while ago. Where the man just say a while ago, no, I hear me, no, something wrong with me ears. You mean if you tell me say on big CNN, this brother just say we run things not run we, and then one other panelist go and defend her familiarity. Come on, Barry, can I do this? Familiarity. Yes, with the Jamaican culture. Jamaican people giving themselves a round of applause. We are going with things. Things might run we, in terms of politicians and other countries and IMF and all kind of things, but are we still going with things? Yeah. Well, that is it, people. Thank you for watching this Dutty Berry social media countdown. Big up to the Miss Jamaica 2017 Miss Jamaica World Ladies. So Sasha, Leah, and Jay over there. So Javon.
Yes.
Yes, so I remember the name them. So tell the people them to like, share, and subscribe since you want to do it.
Like, comment, rate, unsubscribe, and don't forget to share this video and support your Miss Jamaica World contestants. Woo!
Alright, and if you want to follow me on my social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all over. And if you want to email me, it is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Take care until next time. Give me another box cover.
Bye!